This is my absolute favorite hair company. First of all, the quality never misses. I'm talking about like the quality of the lace. Y'all, it never ever misses. So this is a 24-inch. And it comes with wig caps, HD hairbands, a brush, some lashes, and a drawstring bag. Now I am rushing because I got somewhere to be, and I'm trying to put this wig to the test, baby. It's supposed to be one of them girls that you just, what's this? Oh, I think this is like the strips, like the glue strips they have now, and some little rubber bands. I'm gonna use glue, but that's cool. Look at the lace. You can't even see it, right? What lace, like baby hairs on. I love Wiggins. If you want a good quality wig, Wiggins. If you aren't afraid to spend some coin, Wiggins. But like, look at it's put together so well. Look at that. Straps and an elastic band. Straps and an elastic band. Like, I'm gonna take, cause I got on the wig cap. Oh girl. But I want to put this one on, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on it. Alright, that's perfect. So I'm gonna strap my wig down, baby, like glue it down. I just love Wiggins. The quality I already know is my team.
So I spent a lot of time utilizing the clips on the inside and the strings, because I wanted the clips to like hold on to my braids to where my wig wasn't sliding back. So make sure you really like get it where it needs to be, get it secure, use those clips. The clips are your friend, okay?
From the world, I'ma walk in direction. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know my breath is.
Turn up in your mouth, you were speaking good to me. I ain't feel like it. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. I'm crazy and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all.
Okay, now this is really where I should have stopped and just got some hairspray and sprayed it down. I didn't have any hairspray, so I had to go in and end up razoring off, like, you know, just the edges, like cutting the lace where the glue wasn't on the lace. I end up cutting my head, y'all. Like, it was the tiniest little cut, but it was bleeding. It would not stop bleeding. Oh my gosh, it would not stop bleeding. But for y'all, you just need to hairspray it again, the edges, and then tie it back down for about 20 minutes, and then you will be good right there. So when the clip comes back on, you're gonna see me like everything that I did after I done freaking made it stop finally bleeding, and I had to cut the lace, like, you know what I mean? So just don't be me, like stop right there, because it's already not a lot of lace to work with. But yeah, so if you see the lace looking a little different, it's because I cut it and then I cut my head, and then cotton got stuck in the glue. Like, it was a whole thing, y'all. Like, it was a whole thing, and I was so irritated because I should have just left it alone. But yeah, just hairspray it down, girl. Hairspray the edges down and wrap it down, and you will be good right there. I was just being extra. Don't be me, be better. You feel me? Be better.
I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you. I see the things that you saw me dreaming about then. I had a hard time channeling that out, finding the solution for my insecurity. If it's not meant for me, it's not my responsibility.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did like fluffy baby hairs, not too much, and then I put some more hair in a ponytail, and I really like how it came out. Let me turn around to the back. Nothing too crazy. It did take me longer than I would have liked, but child, it really was because I was having technical difficulties. That's it. But it's so cute and quick. Like, this hairstyle would have took me hours, so it still was faster than it would have been if I did it myself. So we love that. They're getting innovative. So yeah, y'all. Thank you, Wiggins Hair. And we'll see you on the next one.